Hello, and welcome to another great episode of Nature's Most Feared Animals. I'm Scotty Nelson. The creature for today is going to be very rare, and it's going to be very hard to find. Shh! I think I found it. Get ready now. Nice and quick. There it is! The three-hole punch!
Today's discovery seems to be extra special. We found an entire family, complete with a newborn child. Watch the unique way that these creatures feed their young. Here we see the father teaching his child the #1 rule of hunting, patience. Wait for it. Alas! The scissors seem to have beaten the punches to, well, the punch.
Oh well, I'm sure that the child learned a very valuable lesson today. Thanks for tuning in, and join us next time as we encounter another one of nature's most feared creatures. Good day.